just kept snowing. Just unbelievable that it could snow 20 inches in Raleigh and Durham in one day. I came into work that morning and everybody's just looking at each other like, is this really happening?
It was. New on ABC11.com, we just posted this. It's a Throwback Thursday, a chance to relive one of the most significant weather events here in the Triangle. This week marks 20 years since a huge snowstorm dumped more than 20 inches of snow, set the all-time single storm snow accumulation record for Raleigh and Durham.
All right, Chief Meteorologist Chris Holman was here keeping you safe through it all. Chris shares what went into making the snowstorm unlike so many others and the chances that it could happen again. If you'd like to see this, go to ABC11.com for the incredible video and his memories. And as a matter of fact, that was before I started. I was in Virginia, and then when I did start in 2001, Chris was on the morning show with John and I.
Yeah, that's
John
right.
And Chris.
But you remember that snowstorm? Kim, you were here.
I was filling in. I'd had my second baby, and I was trapped in my house for 2 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah,
It was
just
awful.
Yeah.
When I finally was able to get my car back to the house, I drove up onto the driveway, but I could only get like halfway up and just stopped.
How'd you get home?
Yeah,
News truck?
Yeah, no, I came to the station when it started to build up. And finally went home, but I could only get part way up the driveway and then just stopped.
Wow. Could it happen again? 20 inches in one day?
I guess it could, but it's extremely rare. And we have nothing like, as a matter of fact, we don't even have any snow in the 7
I was thinking January's almost over. We have had no snow.
I know, and there are some seasons we go through without snow. This could be another one.